Hello everyone, welcome to Explore More and Learn. I hope you all are taking very good care of yourself. I am Dr. Anshul, and in this video today I am going to talk about a very common grammatical confusion. So today's video is about lose versus lose. And in this video I'll discuss the difference between these two words with examples. Alright? So first of all, you should know the difference of their pronunciation. Yes, you'll be surprised to know that these two words may sound the same, but they have different pronunciation. Like L-O-S-E is pronounced as lose. Here letter S has Z sound, lose. But L-O-O-S-E is pronounced as loose, loose. Here letter S has S sound. So lose, loose. Alright? Now, I'll tell you the difference between their meanings with examples. And I have seen many people get confused. Before I proceed with this video, I would like you to test yourself. Okay? It's a very simple test. Don't dash your patience. What will you use here? Lose or lose? Another question. The shirt is very dash. Lose or lose? I don't want to dash her as a friend. What will you use here? Lose or lose? Just keep your answers with yourself. I'll discuss all the answers in the end. Alright? If you have got the correct answers or if you are confident about your answers, that's very good. But if you are not confident about your answers, you must watch this video. Okay? So let's proceed. So first of all, you should know L-O-S-E, lose, is a verb, okay? And it means to no longer have something, or to fail to win, or to misplace something, or to free oneself from something or someone. So these are the meanings. Now I'll give you examples. She wants to lose her weight. Here we'll use L-O-S-E. Lose, which means to free oneself from something. Another example, I don't want to lose this match. Again, we'll use L-O-S-E, which means to fail to win. Alright, now lose, L-O-O-S-E, which is most of the times used as an adjective, which means not tight or restrained, not firmly fixed or not exact. For example, the knot on your shoelaces is loose, which means something which is not tight. The door has a loose handle, which is not firmly fixed. Another example, it's only a loose translation of the poem, which means not exact of what original is. So these are the examples. Now you will see how do we use lose and lose in idiomatic expressions. Okay? So lose yourself. This is a phrase which we use using lose. Lose yourself. It means to be engrossed in something. For example, when I play the piano, I lose myself in the music. Another phrase using lose. Lose your mind. When you can't think anything clearly. So that is lose your mind. For example, if I don't find my keys, I lose my mind. Now, another idiomatic expression using lose. Play fast and lose. That means to behave irresponsibly. For example, he played fast and loose with his finances and now he's in debt. So in this way, there are various other idiomatic expressions where we use lose and lose. So I will request you can post those expressions in the comment box below if you know about them. Alright? Now, let's get back to that exercise. I asked you these questions. I hope you have guessed your answers now. But still, as I promised, I'll tell you the correct answers. Now, don't dash your patience. Here the correct answer is lose. Okay, so here LOSE is the correct answer. Okay, now the shirt is very loose, so this is LOOSE, something which is not tight. Now I don't want to dash her as a friend, so the correct answer is lose, LOSE. So I hope you have got your answers. So if you liked this video, then press like, don't forget to share it. Subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed it yet by pressing this bell icon so that you may get notification for the next video. Very soon I'll upload another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.